Well, you just arrived to Mykonos and you're wondering where to take the bus from. So there's two main bus stops on Mykonos Island. The first bus stop is Fabrika and the other one is the Old Port. But I'm pretty sure that most of you are either arriving to Mykonos via the airport at the arrivals or via the port. So we're gonna see step by step which bus you can take from each of these points that we just mentioned. Stay tuned to this video and watch till the end. So now that you just arrived at Mykonos Airport, you're wondering, where do I take the bus from? Don't worry about it. It's pretty simple. As soon as you exit the arrivals, all you have to do is turn left and walk the sidewalk towards the bus stop. It is literally a minute walk. You found the bus stop, it's over here. And now let's explain of how to purchase a ticket for the bus. There are no ticket machines at the airport, so the first thing you need to do is, when the bus arrives, you ask the driver for a bus ticket and pay with cash only. The main route from Mykonos Airport is between the airport and Fabrika, which is the central bus station of Mykonos. Sometimes there might be a route that goes from the airport to the main port of Mykonos, also known as the main port. Here are the official timetables from the airport, and the prices are €2.50 if you're heading to Mykonos Town and €3 if you're heading to the port. And remember that you purchase your ticket from the driver directly using cash only. Next up is the main station in Mykonos Town, Fabrika. From here there are 5 bus routes and you can pay using both your credit card and cash. For each of these routes individually, just press pause to see them clearly, since this video is moving in a fast pace. So the next place where you take the Mykonos bus from is the Old Port here in Mykonos. There are 4 bus routes from the Old Port at this time of season, June 2024. To see these routes, go ahead and press pause each time again. Regarding the new port, it is recommended that you take the sea bus. I think is better, where you can purchase tickets at that booth over there for the sea bus. The price for the ticket is €2. It takes 10 minutes to get by boat from the Old Port to the new port. The only thing is that that boat is available every hour and it's not available during the whole day. Not that the buses are available during the whole day. But once again, this ticket booth over here at the Old Port, you purchase your ticket using cash, no card, or you purchase your ticket from the driver directly using cash once again. Let's move on to the final station. At this point, it's also worth mentioning, if you're visiting Athens and you want to see all the Athens airport buses, click at the video right here, because that video, I think, is going to help you 100%. Not that this one is not going to help 100%. And also, if you're enjoying this content and this channel is helping you, please help this channel also by hitting that subscribe button. And maybe you can give this video a like to help the algorithm, etc., as all YouTubers say. And feel free to share a comment in the comment section, and maybe I or someone else seeing your comment might be able to help you even more about information regarding the Mykonos buses. So the fourth and last station of the Mykonos bus that I'm going to show for today is the new port. This is the next place you will probably be arriving to Mykonos from. If you want to take the bus from here, as soon as you exit the ship, you're going to make a left and you're going to make sure to pass the popo over here. And as soon as you pass the popo over here, they're not listening, it's okay. There's a ticket booth right here, which is closed at the moment because there's probably no ship on arrival over here, but it doesn't matter. As soon as the bus arrives, you can purchase your ticket directly from the driver, again, using cash. And if you want to go to the Old Port, as mentioned before, it's best that you take the sea bus. And for the sea bus, all you're going to have to do is, as soon as you exit the ship, just walk across. And as soon as you walk across, you're going to see the sign, which is pointing towards the sea bus, and the ticket booth is situated directly at the end. From the new port, you can get to the airport by bus and Fabrika station in Mykonos Town. Once again, press pause to see the timetables. So that was it for today's video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See ya.